this movement, you are watching this video with phone, and also the whole world is using phone right now. But do you know how it manufactured? So, welcome to Innovation Station in this video. I will tell you how phone is manufactured in the factory. So let's start. For making phone, we have to go through with many steps. So we divided it into 6 steps. 1. Research and development. 2. Design. 3. Component sourcing. 4. Assembly. 5. Quality control. 6. Packaging and shipping. We have to go through the steps, one by one. 1. Research and development. The research and development phase is where the initial concept for the phone is developed. This includes brainstorming ideas, conducting market research, and developing prototypes. The raw team will also need to finalize the design, materials, and components for the phone. 2. Design. Once the VAR phase is complete, the design phase begins. This is where the phone's look and feel are finalized and the user interface is designed. The design team will need to consider factors such as the phone size, weight, shape, materials, and color. They will also need to design the UE, which is the way that users interact with the phone. 3. Component sourcing. The component sourcing phase is where the individual components for the phone are sourced from suppliers. This includes components such as the processor, memory, display, battery, camera, and speakers. The component sourcing team will need to find suppliers that can provide high-quality components at a competitive price. 4. Assembly. The assembly phase is where the phone is assembled in a factory. This is a complex process that involves many different steps. The first step is to mount the components on the phone circuit board. Once the components are mounted, the phone is tested to ensure that it works properly. If the phone passes the test, it is then packaged and shipped to retailers. 5. Quality control. Quality control is an important part of the manufacturing process. This is where the phone is tested to ensure that it meets the required standards. The QC team will test the phone for things such as performance, durability, and safety. If the phone passes the key tests, it is then released to the market. 6. Packaging and shipping. Once the phone has passed the Q tests, it is packaged and shipped to retailers. The packaging process ensures the phone is protected during shipping. The shipping process ensures that the phone arrives at the retailer in a timely manner. The manufacturing process of a mobile phone is a complex and multi-step process. However, by following these steps, manufacturers can produce high-quality mobile phones that meet the needs of consumers. So that's it for today. I will see you next time.